Hey guys, let me show you a super easy way to get a dashcam like this installed on your BMW. Let's go. Go ahead and tilt the mirror down for better access to the plastic shroud seen here. I use a pry tool to get into this gap and unclip the panels.
Rest assured, no panels were harmed in the making of this video.
With both the panels off, we get a nice clean look at the connector here. It's a tiny little guy that powers your rain sensor. You know, that one feature that usually doesn't ever work. To remove this, use something like a needle nose plier to push this piece in and pull the connector straight out. It just makes the process so much easier. Alright, with the connector out, let's go ahead and install the Dongar dashcam adapter. I'm using the Keyway 1 option for this installation, and we'll leave a link to this in the description below. With the adapter now connected, I'll go ahead and fire up the car to make sure our unit is receiving power. I can confirm this via a blue LED that lights up within the USB module, and can confirm this further by connecting the dashcam and seeing if that fires up properly. With both of these items checked, let's go ahead and tidy up these cables. And just like that, we've got a clean dashcam setup. So if you've been in the market for a dashcam or been rocking the dangling cables look, check out Dongar Technologies today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please consider hitting the like button if you found this helpful. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.